The women of Delaimakotu, Moce are at the heart of sacred tradition, preparing the traditional wear or Isulu vakaturaga for the installation of the Tui Nayau. Their handcrafted Moce holds deep cultural significance, once reserved solely for the chiefly household. Epramoa is in Lakemba and filed this report.
The women of Delaimakotu, Moce plays a significant role in the installation of the Turanga na Tui Nayau, Tui Lau Sau Nivanua Kolau. They are tasked with crafting the traditional wear Isulu vakaturaga of the newly installed paramount chief. Salo Tembiu of Delaimakotu says the Moce is truly special.
Amasi entingi takisaranga mai nayanan ko Delaimakotu me na mai vanga taki na turanga Tui Nayau. We tu itabi saranga mai Delaimakotu mketu sakavu mai nona Isulu turanga na Tui Nayau.
The Moce, she says, is now used for other Fijian traditional occasions, although its origin is specially for the chiefly household.
Masi sayanga tu na ngauna ni kuo na paka mau na kani mate kata uso sare paka ngataki mai na masi kukua ka sa tokolo mai ta kungui a masi ni Delaimakotu ka keto sa lesi makina ko keto lesi paka bonua mai ni na yanan ko Delaimakotu mo keto ko tamai ko keto na marama keto sa mai chiko na yanan paka turang ko
Hundreds of people have arrived in both Nayau and Lakemba Island over the weekend for the installation. Pauliasin Devata of Canberra says he is excited to witness the installation of the Tui Nayau. Distinguished dignitaries such as Their Majesty the King and Queen of Tonga are expected to attend the installation.